Hey guys, Shudat here from Tech Talk HD. Apple announced their brand new iPhone 11 very recently, and if you know anything about that, you would realize how the prices that they have for base models is a lot cheaper than the previous model that they currently have being sold on their actual official website. And not only that, you would also realize how they have not added any of the current in-demand trending features from other flagship phones. For instance, using your new phone to charge another device. Or at least they didn't even touch the ugly looking notch on this. And despite the fact that they did not do any of that, they still call this keynote as innovation. I mean, a smart company like Apple doing this kind of stuff makes us wonder what could be the reason behind it. And I'm no expert, but let me break it down as to what my personal opinion about this is with proof as to what Apple is currently planning with this model. So you already probably know that iPhones are much better in terms of their video capabilities. And we also know that there is this huge exponential demand recently that's coming up in the market for videography and photography equipment, just because of the reason of this recent explosion on social media platforms, YouTube video creations, and creative photography. And since all these camera companies are focusing on selling their products to these young, new coming up creators, Apple notices this opportunity where simply by focusing on the camera of this new phone, they can get their current loyal customers who are looking for new camera equipment to simply upgrade their phones, and that new phone would last them for a couple of years for all their needs. And if you watch that keynote, you would also see that they consistently focused on camera a lot more than anything. And not only that, but if you look at their current website landing page for iPhone 11, you would notice how the first 70 to 80% of that page is focused on camera only. And I personally see it as a genius marketing approach from a company like this. You see, Apple doesn't rely on iPhone sales for making profit of the year just because of all the other stuff that they're trying to sell. And in my opinion, this is the best opportunity where they can take an iPhone and leverage it into jumping into a different market and try to control over it. I'm honestly waiting on someone to make a new creative and fun video using just iPhone 11, and that video I am 100% sure is going to blow up and be one of the most viral videos just like that. Anyways, those are my thoughts about this. Leave a comment about what you are thinking about this product, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.